2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. 1, 2.
Это длинно, ты будешь делать, что ты будешь делать? Но в этом фолде можно проделать наклоны всякие на ноги, потом фолд можно свой наклоны вниз, как ты делаешь, и плечики можно тоже. Получается плечики, стороны и потом финал можно просто выложить 3 кубика, ноги на кубике, только полуразворот ко мне стопа и потянуть
Следующий хомячок тоже. Уверена?
Уходите! Готово?
Oh, everybody today will do stretching our body and exercise with me and we'll get started. So first what we will do, we slowly start to do pushes for our back. So 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax and try to take our hands behind. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get stretched down for our back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take the legs in this side and start to do stretching. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after that, take one back and we move in this side and start to do pushing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take our knees and start to do pushes for our leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Take on your elbows and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. And now you'll start to do moves taking this side and feet on yourself and back. 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, and 5, back. Good work. Let's see it on the leg and start to push in this side. So take it 1, take it 2, take it 3, take it 4, and 5. Relax. Taking this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly stand up and take it this. Take back leg and sit. So take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. After the side, take it to the box and take it more side. And first take one leg and stretch first this leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and take to relax. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it, subscribe to take your likes, and write me good comments. So bye bye. So guys. guys, I now will go to change my costume and I will come back, so stay with me. It's maybe 1-2 minutes and I will come back. So wait please.